Alright guys, Rolling Bones. This will be course number 2 for me and Wex. Right now we are sitting at a tie, so we gotta go get a tiebreaker. Closest to center here. And we're on Rolling Bones. This is gonna be like an 80-yard max.
Three courses in the day. Well, I guess you can't do best of 3 courses because it's tough.
It's gonna be tough. But alright, let's go see how it goes. Alright, start us off right here.
Since I finished last time.
Did you say 53?
Yeah.
Dang, that don't look like 53.
Sure is. Oh, we do it. Yeah. 53. 33 down.
Looks like it's tracking good.
Look good.
We'll start 1-0. I mean, we're even anyway. Alright. I'm up. I'm up by 1.
A leopard?
This is your leopard that you shot backward.
Yeah, it sure is. A leopard straight down. 37 yards on a leopard downhill, split some trees. We were on Rolling Bones technical course. Ooh, doesn't look bad.
I went left and you went right.
I was aiming a little right. I thought I needed to go straight at the shoulder, like the elbow.
Pretty close. See here.
Yeah, barely.
I mean, it's so close.
I got 43, so.
Where I want to go.
Seems like you gotta kind of hug that tree. Shot number 3.
You literally have to aim at the trash on this.
Oh, high.
What? Yeah. Yeah, that's what got me, I think. Dang, I did this is wide open. Perfect. Yeah. Drilled it. Good shot. Shot, Wex. That was a nice one.
1-2 now.
1-2. Yep.
There's just trash all over. 46 tied, or scores 1-2 on a brown bear.
Good shot.
Right where I needed it.
Dang.
Painful, dude.
Oh man, there's still some trash in there.
Yeah, right at the top of that, bottom of that tree. Rocks digging into your knees.
Oh, that hurts.
This is why we don't bear hunt. We only deer hunt.
So I need to go right through that clear, I think.
Yeah, just a little bit lower than mine.
Oh yeah, you got a good shot.
Left and right was where it needed, just a tad high. I think I shot for half a yard more than I
I
needed.
feel like I'm about to rip my pants. They are stretched to their max right now. Ah, you got me.
Evens it up too. I mean, you're still getting a 10.
That's a good shot.
You can now get a 10.
Ooh. I don't know what that is up there. It's right in front of a rock though, so.
Better be low than.
We are tied 2-2. This is
You got
shot number 5.
Of the front shoulder.
Yeah, and the ring is in front of the shoulder. Try to get it here for you.
Just move to the national forest.
Nope. I think right there.
About broke the neck on that thing. Oh, I'm gonna find a stable. Over it?
I don't know. Good shot, Wakes.
So there's your arrow.
I went ahead and shot over there. Just laid it up over there, you know.
He saw a live rabbit.
I don't know what this thing is.
Lynx?
Oh, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, some kind of cat, maybe.
If you can.
All right.
47 yards. Number 6. What is the score? 3-2. I'm up.
3-2. Wex is up.
But there's a fox, I think, downhill.
Ooh, where'd he go?
That's a sweet shot.
Lost it. Dang. You're smoking it, Wex.
Dude, you should have seen that pin. Where my pin was floating. I almost let down.
Like,
It was like
45. Is that what you got?
47, so yeah. Peeps that.
All right.
Don't forget your peep.
45 yards. Sly little fox. Wex just smoked it. I think I just need to go left with his arrow.
Yes.
Oh, Wex, nice shot. And I am straight up.
Straight from where you need to be.
What's going on there? So that makes you,
That shot 6?
yeah,
4-2.
4-2.
That's about
Smoking
where
me, guys.
That's where we were at first course, just flip flopped.
Like right in the low spot of that, where the line, the black line is, the black and the gray meet.
Up by the head?
No.
Oh, in the middle.
Like the whole body's got a gray line.
I can kind of see, yeah.
Right in the middle.
There's like a little branch thing there.
Where it dips down.
Try to shoot into. Ready?
Shot a little high.
Yeah, I did. I pulled up at the last second.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
4 yards.
Nice shot, Timbo.
All right, finally got a decent shot. Yeah, maybe. Is it? I'll be dang. Nice. That makes it 4-3.
Yeah.
Wex is still up, guys.
Shot number 8. 3-4. I'm up A bat hanging in a cave. Nice shot, Tim.
Yeah, thanks. This is a good one to go first on.
Think I got you?
Right beside me. I don't know if it's high, low. It's right there on my rail though.
That one was hard because
I think you're right above me, aren't you?
I
Ha ha.
am.
Ha ha. Just to let you know what kind of stuff we're climbing here. That's good. Good group.
Good job.
Thanks.
You're still high from center 12, but
4-4.
yep. Shot number 9. Tie ball game. 4-4. 26.9 on this monkey. It's got a name. I can't remember the exact species of it.
Maybe it may have baboon or something. That's pretty mean.
Definitely not one I'm going to encounter.
Sure.
Don't forget your peep sight.
Ooh. All right, Wix, get her in there.
This is the same distance you just shot, wasn't it?
Pretty close. Where'd you hit?
I don't know. I thought it was good. I feel like I'm stacked with you.
Stinking Wex. You can't leave him any room. Look at that.
Touching fletchings.
Fletchings are touching. Good shot, Wex.
That's why I was like, I don't know where it went.
All right, Wex, you're up.
Same distance, 27.5.
27.5 yards. Good shot.
I'm high, right? Like right in the heart. Door's open for you, Tim.
Barely. I got the time for sure.
Yeah, shot 10, 5-4. You stinker. That's a smaller target than I thought it
That was a little bitty target. Barely got him. 5-5. Heading into shot 11.